Ready for today's show, Ross?
Well, good morning or afternoon.
Well,
yes, I'm ready.
Yeah, we don't know what time it is.
Hi, class.
It's morning to us, but that doesn't mean anything.
Yes.
Okay, so we have 3 things to do today. Oh, hi. Hi, by the way. Almost forgot about you guys.
She forgot about you. I didn't.
Because it's all about Ross. Okay, first thing we have is a focus question. We have a new focus question for section 10.2. And the new focus question is, what are chemical solutions?
It's missing.
And what are chemical solutions?
Bravo.
And how are they made? Okay, so when I originally was going to write this question up on the board, I realized I was just going to say what are solutions and how are they made. Well, but a lot of people think of solutions as math terms. Like, what is the solution to this math problem? And solutions also happen in science. A solution is anything that can be, what's the word I want? Like, the root word is sol. So something is solved or is dissolved, or there's a solution, or there's a solvent or a solute. All of that comes from that root word sol,
Changes
which is just, yeah, changes things, kind of realigning, figuring things out. Okay, so
I changed one time.
You changed only one time?
Many ways. Over time.
Yes, and still are. You still are changing. Okay, Ross, I think there's something in my eye. Can you look real quick?
I have no eyes.
Ross, just help.
Yeah, okay.
Do you see anything?
Something's changing.
Oh. Okay. So, this is our focus question. Write this in your science notebook. What are chemical solutions and how are they made? That's what we're going to work on this week. So, for you today, Monday, you are going to read pages 1 through 6 in your chapter 10 packet and do the questions. Oh, also notice on page 3, I wrote solute, 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 solute all over the page, everywhere on the page, because that is probably the most mispronounced word in my 8th grade science classes. Solute, solute. And I even had a sub once. The first time we went over, the first time we did this, I had a sub, and the sub pronounced it solute. And it was awful. The rest of the year, I had to try to change.
She was an awful sub.
It was a guy. And he tried.
Oh, no wonder she was awful.
No wonder she was awful. She was a he. So my students learned how to say it incorrectly, and then I had to unteach that and reteach how to say it correctly. It was horrible. So, solute, 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 Ross.
Solute.
Solute.
I salute you for solute.
Yeah, okay. So pages 1 through 6. And be sure you do the mark it ups. There might be some mark it ups in there. I think there are a couple of them where you have to actually draw something or... are there any mark it up? Yeah, there's one. Circle the evidence in the picture. Okay, so that's for Monday. This, to write in your science notebook and leave it blank. We'll come back to it. And pages 1 through 6 in here, and do the pages. And then the third thing for you to do is the chemical bonds brain pop. Chemical bonds brain pop. 10 facts. You can write them in your science notebook or on a piece of paper. Doesn't matter. Send me a picture of it. Take the quiz. Take the graded quiz. You can also send me a graded quiz score. That works too. So those are the 3 things. That, this, and the brain pop.
Can I tell them about the Friday lab?
tell them about the Friday lab? The lab we're doing Friday?
Yes.
You want to tell them about it?
We're having a lab Friday. That's it. How's that?
That was fine, Ross. We're also doing a lab Wednesday. It's a 2-lab week.
I'm helping.
I know, you're always helping. Yes, it's a 2-lab week. Did you forget about the Wednesday lab?
No, but
Oh.
Friday looks really interesting.
Yeah, Fridays is going to be cool. Okay,
Bye.
get to work. Get to work. And check your email, because I'm going to email everybody later.
I don't have email. Because I'm always here.
You're always here, and I tell you everything anyway, so it doesn't matter. Okay, love you, bye.